Hey everyone! So after posting the video of the Sharktopus, I had a really good response to it, and a lot of people were giving me some really good ideas on some different sci-fi movie characters that they would like to see. So one of the ones that I saw was kind of like an enemy or would fight a lot with the Sharktopus was the whale wolf. So I thought it would be fun to show you guys how to draw it. To start off with our whale wolf, we're going to put the face right over here. So right about here, we want to make the eye. To do this, we're going to make a line that goes down and then curves up like this, kind of like a little backwards check mark. And I'm going to add a little curved line for the eye. Then I'm just going to add a few little lines in here. Now starting here, make a line that goes up and then it's going to curve down. Right here, you want to draw a line that's going to curve out, and the nose is pretty pointy, so it's going to come down like this. Now, I'm going to continue this, and I'm going to add a few little curved lines, and then I'm going to bring this up and then back here. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that goes down, and then it's going to really curve down like this. I'm going to add a little line that's going to curve back. And then a line that goes out, and I'm going to curve and bring it up to here. Now, the whale wolf has some pretty gnarly looking teeth in there. So to start off with this, I'm going to make the big fang and then a couple small little triangles out in the front. Then I'm going to add some different ones all along here. We'll add a little curved line right there. A couple little extra lines. Now here at the bottom, I'm going to add some more of the little sharp teeth. Put a few more there. And I'm going to add a long tongue that sticks out and comes back. And just kind of connect this line down to here. Up here at the top, I'm just going to bring this down and kind of back a little bit, actually. It's got a little bit of a hook back there. And he actually has an ear, so I'm going to make a line that's going to curve back. It's going to come to a point, it's going to go down, and then curve up to here. It's pretty close to the eye. Then I'm going to just draw a line that goes around here. Now, starting up here, I'm going to add a couple little kind of spiked lines to show a little bit of fur. Then a line that's just going to come down to here for the neck. I'm going to bring this line up for the back. And when I get to, I'll bring it out a little bit more, but when I get to right about here, I want to make the big fin. So the fin is going to go straight up, or more at an angle. It's going to be a little bit rounded at the top, and then it's going to come in and then down. Now, starting here, I'm just going to bring this back and down like that. Now we're going to come over here and add some more of the details. So right about here, you want to draw a line that goes down, and then it's going to curve up. For the first arm, I'm going to make a line that's just going to go down like this, kind of at an angle. Then it's just going to come down like this. I'm going to add a long claw that curves back. Then another one right here that's very long. It's going to curve back. One right here. And one more right here. I'm going to bring this up and curve it back into here. And right over here, I'm going to add a line that's going to curve out, and it's going to come back here. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve up. Bring this line down a little bit. And right here, we're going to make a line that goes down at an angle, and then it's going to just curve back. Draw a little line that goes down, and a line that's going to curve down and come back here. I'm going to bring this line up, bring it to here, and then we're just going to curve it back here. Now, starting here, I'm going to add a couple more little claws onto here. And starting over here, I want to add the other legs. So right about here, I'm going to draw a line that goes down. It's going to angle out. I'm going to add a little claw right here. Then I'm going to add another one here, another long one, and then one more right here. I'm going to curve this in. And then do the same thing, go up and then bring it up to here. And I will add that little curved line right to here. Then right back here, I'm going to just add a little line that goes down. And then we'll have another line down here with some more feet over here, some more claws, and then just draw a little line up. Now, starting right over here, we want to make the tail, and we don't have a whole lot of room, so we have to kind of curve it up. So I'm just going to start right here, and I'm going to draw a line that's just going to curve up. I'm going to add a couple little curved lines right there. And I'm going to bring this line right to about there. I'll make a little line that goes out. It's going to have a little point and then come down. Little line that goes up, and it's going to do the same thing. It's going to come right down to here. I'm going to add a couple little curved lines. And then here's our basic shape of our whale wolf. Now we just want to come in here and add some of the different details onto here. So right up here, I'm going to add a little curved line for a nostril, and then a little line that just kind of curves down. It almost kind of looks a little bit more like a rat than a wolf, but it's all good. We'll add a curved line right around here. And then a couple little curved lines over here. A few more little lines. I'm going to curve this right around. And then just a couple little curved lines, just show some wrinkles on the neck. We'll add a couple little broken lines or two just to kind of show where some of the muscles are. I'm going to add some claws onto here. And I like to add a little extra line or two on here. And I also want to put just a little bit of like some webbing in between here. Do the same thing on these. We'll add a little bit of webbing and just a little bit of a curved line. Add a couple little detail lines on the arms. We're going to add a nice little long broken line here and here. And a couple little extra lines right around there. Maybe a little line or two up here with a couple little details. I'll add a nice little long broken line right here. And then we'll put a couple little, curved broken lines around here for some details. A little long broken line down the back. And then just some more little lines for some extra details around here. He's got some strong muscular legs, so I'm just going to add a few little extra lines in here to show some details. Put some claws on here. I'm going to add some little lines right around here. A few little extra lines over here. Then just add a few little detail lines everywhere. And you can just kind of come in here and add some little lines wherever you want to, just for a little bit of detail. He doesn't have a whole lot, but he is going to have some pretty cool little marking lines on him. So I want to kind of draw, I'm going to color this in, but I just want to show you guys where the little lines are going to be for some of the different colors. So just starting right here, I'm going to add a little line. And I'm going to just kind of continue this. I'll use this line that I made. It's going to just pop right out here. It's going to have a few little wavy curved lines in there. Then it goes up and it hooks around just a bit. And then it comes right to the leg. Then it just kind of pops out right around the tail and comes right down there. And then that is your basic drawing of the whale wolf. It looks a little bit different from what the actual movie looks like, but that's okay. I'm not too happy with the back legs, but you guys can kind of add your own style legs in there if you want. And you can always come in here and add a few extra little detail lines, whatever you want to do. Give them a pupil. But there you go. There is your whale wolf. If you guys have any other different, creatures from some of the different sci-fi movies that you would like me to draw, please let me know and I'll see what I can do. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.